Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a neon cat. So let me just get my golden penguin flying dried. And let me just write it. Okay, it's taking a long time, it's fine. Guys, I'm really excited about it because I have never made a neon in my life. Just drinking some tea, don't mind me. Somebody's watching. Anyway. Yeah, whatever. Let me just enter the cave. Let me just stop this ride fast.
What's up, guys? Flash here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Like any other superhero, just a lot faster, smarter, stronger, just cool all around.
Let's go, guys. We're going to be making a neon cat. So, just one.
Oh, excuse me. You're that superhero.
Two. Oh my God.
Anyway.
3. So excited. The 4th and the last pet. 4.
See that? I
We're
just went to
going
China.
to-
I just went to France.
Let's see how cool it is.
Every police officer.
Whoa, look at this cat. It looks so cute. Looks so good.
License and registration.
What? I was walking. I don't own a vehicle.
Whoa, look at this cat. Never made a neon in my life. I'm just so cool. So anyway, bye guys.